Hey guys, I'm Dante. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're going to go over things I dislike about working on newer dryers. My first main issue that I pretty much dislike is just all the different functions that they have. You know, you have just a lot of different options you can do, which means just more wires, more chances for problems to occur in the wiring, in the boards themselves. But don't get me wrong. I mean, these LGs, these units themselves they're amazing. All the new wash or dryers are great. It's just my opinion on working them. They can get a little bit more challenging. It's not like the older ones. Like if we go right over here, these ones are nice and basic, like a older car. You can just pop it open, get right to the parts that you need. Um, these ones are, like I said, they're a little bit more simple. It could be a fuse that goes out, they can stop it working. So you can just change the fuse, boom, your dryer's working again. Compared to the other one that I showed you guys, there's just more chance for stuff to go wrong inside that cavity. It's not as simple, it's a little bit more advanced. Just more components that can go wrong and cause issues. Um, Another thing I don't like about the newer ones is just space, in terms of working inside. Um, they're just sometimes a little bit more cramped. There's more stuff in there, so your hands don't have as much room to play with and get to the areas that you need to. Compared to these, they're a little bit more open. A little, like I said, a little bit more basic. So it just makes it a little bit easier for the tech. They're more tech friendly, I should say. Those are the couple of things I have for you guys today. Thank you for coming and watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back next week for some more information. And we'll see you then.